Hey friends, if you wish to view and remove your download history in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. Now, this is a very important video. I'll tell you why. Because it helps you maintain privacy. Open Microsoft Edge. Now, click on these three dots at the top right corner and click on Downloads. Now, it shows your download history here. Okay. Click on these three dots here and select Open Downloads page. So you can click on clear all and this will remove the download history. Let us say that you downloaded some adult content or some other offensive content and it is in the download section. You can delete it from here. If you were to delete it from the normal history section, then there would have been a slight problem that you would have to scroll down and select all the boxes here. So this is one thing. Otherwise, people simply check the browsing history, cookies, and cache and forget the download history. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.